Hi everyone, I'm Jitendra aka J the Jitster from J.A.K's Tech, and today I'll be giving you guys a quick video review of my smartwatch. Let's get right into it. Hi, this is a video review of my smartwatch. Now, I haven't really gotten an opportunity to actually open this. This is my first time actually opening this product to give a video review of. And this smartwatch, it actually has the ability to work with any smartphone out there. But it isn't waterproof, I must say, because normally some smartwatches are waterproof. And this is what the inside of the contents look like. So here I am giving you a short review of what it looks like. So as you can see, it comes equipped with a USB cable, and this is its manual. And this thing right here, this is actually for putting on the screen protector, but it didn't really come with any screen protectors really. But it is still brand new. Like I said, this is my first time actually opening it to give you a video review of what it looks like. And yeah, this is its contents. So this is it right here. I actually like the color it comes in because I haven't really gotten an opportunity to open it. Like I said, this is my first time actually opening it to give a video review of it. And as you can see, it comes equipped with a camera. And it looks pretty unique. I actually like the color. It looks quite authentic. And yeah, this is pretty much it. It's a very lovely, very beautiful smartwatch. It isn't really waterproof like I said, but it is quite handy and it's brand new. Perfectly came straight out of the package, and here I am just opening it up to give you a proper video review of what it looks like.
Yo, this is Khalil from J.A.K's Tech. If you like what you see, please subscribe and give it a like.